Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this new trade-in 2014 Cobalt 220S. As we enter the boat, you've got a nice transom walkthrough into the cockpit. This boat is going to be powered by a Volvo Penta V8 300 horsepower, dual batteries. You'll see a full sun pad on the back and plenty of seating in the cockpit. Also has a flip up, a glove box with Sony stereo system. Here at the helm chair with flip up bolster and tilt wheel steering. Boat is rated for 12 people. As you come up in the bow, you do have a bow block off door and plenty of wraparound seating forward. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2014 Cobalt 220S. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.